Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship series, the Galaxy S26. It looks like Samsung is planning a major change with this release, and it could affect the lineup we've gotten used to over the years. According to a new report coming from Korean supply chain sources, Samsung might be dropping its traditional 3-model setup. Yep, that familiar Plus version could be on the chopping block. Instead of the regular Galaxy S, Plus, and Ultra models, Samsung might go with something new. The Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. There might still be a fan edition later on, but for now, the focus is on these 3 main models. Here's what we know about the display sizes. The standard Galaxy S26 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch screen. The S26 Edge will come in just slightly smaller at 6.66 inches. And then there's the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which will have the largest screen at 6.89 inches. The Edge model will likely take over where the Plus used to be, but with a twist. This new Edge version isn't just a name swap. It's based on the design idea from the older Galaxy S5 Edge. That means it'll probably be thinner and lighter than the current Plus, but that comes with a few trade-offs. The Edge could lose one of the rear cameras, have a smaller battery, and slower charging. Still, this design shift could be Samsung's way of offering a sleeker, more unique middle option. The idea seems to be offering 3 clearly different phones for different kinds of users. You'll have the standard S26 for people who want a balanced, compact device. The Edge is for those who want a large display but in a slimmer body. And the Ultra, as always, is for power users who want all the top-end features. And there's more evidence to back up this shift. Recently, model numbers for 3 Galaxy S26 devices appeared in GSMA listings. That's another strong hint that Samsung is moving forward with a 3-device setup this time around. So, why get rid of the Plus model? While Samsung hasn't confirmed anything officially, sales numbers might be the reason. We've seen something similar happen with Apple. The iPhone 16 Plus reportedly had the weakest sales in the lineup, and now Apple might replace it with a new iPhone 17 Air. Samsung could be seeing the same trend, especially with last year's Galaxy S25 Plus. But it's not a clear-cut decision. Many fans still find value in the Plus model, especially those who want a bigger screen without going all the way up to the Ultra in terms of price and size. In fact, in a recent poll asking if Samsung should cancel the S26 Plus, 53% of people said they love the Plus model and wanted to stay. Around 22% were okay with the Edge replacement, while 25% agreed with dropping the Plus but weren't sold on the Edge idea either. So clearly, this move is controversial. On one hand, Samsung wants to try something fresh and new with its flagship line. But on the other, past attempts with the Edge model haven't always been successful. Just look at how the S25 Edge struggled to gain popularity. And let's be real, this isn't the first time we've heard rumors about the Plus model being removed. They've popped up before, and yet, the Plus always made a return. That's why we should still take this as a possibility, not a guarantee. If Samsung really goes ahead with this change, the Galaxy S26 lineup will definitely feel different, more focused, more distinct between each model. But it could also mean losing an option that a lot of people actually liked, a big screen phone without the bulk and price of the Ultra. In the end, it all depends on how the market responds. Will the Galaxy S26 Edge be enough to replace the Plus? Or will Samsung realize the middle ground still matters to many users? We'll have to wait and see. But one thing is clear. Samsung's not afraid to make bold moves, and the Galaxy S26 might just be the start of a new chapter for their flagship phones. Stay tuned right here on Drop Tech for more updates and leaks as they come in.